Something that's really important to do before you do project work like this is pull your negative post on your battery. Normally I would also say walk your key away from your car, but in this case it's not as important because the battery is going to be pulled, everything's going to be turned off. So I'll show you really quickly on how to pull the negative battery post. We're looking into the trunk here, so you're on the right hand side of your trunk. You can pull this cover and you'll see your battery back here. So the red one obviously is your positive, the brown is the negative. The negative you don't have to worry about grounding out on anything because it is the ground. I'm always really careful dealing with batteries. I've seen people make some mistakes and it always makes me a little nervous, candidly. So it should be a 10mm socket, which is, may not be in this case, or I'm just not able to reach. Yep, it's 10mm. Okay, so my head's probably in the way right at the moment, but all I'm doing is just undoing the nut on the ground post, the brown ground post on your battery. Just release that, pull the ground post up and away, and then make sure to tuck the cable away off on one side. So you make sure it's off and away from the battery entirely. It won't accidentally come back and touch your ground post. Don't just pull it and let it sit there. Pull it up and away. And tuck it away so all the power in your car is pulled. Last thing you want to do, especially dealing with the connections we've got for the MCU up underneath the hood, is have power in the car at the time. Okay, let's move back to the hood. Okay, so here we are underneath the hood. What we need to do first, now the one thing I want to caution, and something that I'm waiting on a little bit right now, is that the motor is still really warm. So don't burn yourself, take your time. If you can, let your car cool down completely before you do this work. That way you don't potentially touch anything, burn yourself, all those sort of things.